Hello kids! I give you a very warm welcome with a hint about today's video. Today we are going to solve an animal's puzzle like the one we did before. I will mention the link of my previous puzzle video in the description box. Okay, it's time. Let's go! I'm gonna start with a face. Seems like to me this animal has yellow colored fur with black strips. Oh, look kids! It has very intensive pair of eyes. Let's see if we can rearrange the body parts. Oh, it's not the correct one. Oh no, nothing is matching. This is getting difficult, kids. I could use a little bit of help here. Aha! Finally! Now we will look for the other possible matches. Here comes the body and almost two front legs. In the meantime, I want all of you to guess the animal. Can you do that for me? We are almost there, kids. Guess quickly, or I'm gonna tell. Here goes the rest of the body part. Back feet and tail. Yes! Yes, your guessing is right, kids. It's a tiger! The tiger is the biggest species of the cat family. Tigers are good swimmers and can swim up to 6 kilometers. Tigers usually hunt alone at night time. This is what all I've got for today, kids. See you in the next video with more magnificent creature or topic. For that, you have to subscribe Color Creation and don't miss the bell icon. See you later. Bye.